For generations of image makers, the crop sensor APS-C camera was treated like a tragic stepping stone. The corporate camera empires told us that if you didn't step up to a heavy, incredibly expensive full-frame sensor, you were a second-class citizen doomed to suffer from rolling shutter distortion, terrible low-light noise, slow data processing pipelines, and electronic viewfinders that lag so heavily it feels like looking through an old television screen. They intentionally handicapped small sensor bodies to protect their high-end, multi-thousand-dollar flagships. But Canon just executed an aggressive, highly dangerous hardware play that completely shatters that entire narrative. By borrowing the absolute highest-tier computational brains from their sports and studio monsters, completely re-architecting sensor readout mechanics, and introducing an accelerated processing engine that defies standard physical limits, they didn't just release a follow-up body. They broke the camera hierarchy. They built a machine that is being openly called the Mini R1, a localized pocket-sized beast that actively threatens full-frame systems with double its price tag. Let us start with the absolute heart of the beast, the customized, high-density stacked processing core. To truly comprehend why this sensor is a statistical marvel, you have to look at what happened with the internal electronics layout. We are not talking about a basic resolution bump or a minor software sharpening pass. This is a fundamental redesign of how light data is read off the silicon and pushed into the storage system. By moving to a state-of-the-art stack structure where the memory circuits are layered directly underneath the image pixels, the data readout speed happens at a near-instantaneous level, completely eradicating the single biggest curse of mirrorless cameras, the dreaded rolling shutter effect. When you look at the history of action photography, if you tried to pan across a fast-moving soccer match or capture a hawk diving at 80 miles an hour using an electronic shutter, the physics broke down. Footballs turned into distorted eggs, golf clubs bent like rubber bands, and the background skewed into an unnatural digital mess. The R7 Mark II handles this with an almost terrifying calmness. The readout velocity is so blistering fast, matching and exceeding the metrics of premium studio bodies, that you can shoot fast action sequences silently at maximum speeds without a single millimeter of geometric distortion. The system doesn't just capture a moment, it slices through time with absolute geometric perfection. And a massive part of this magic comes down to the inclusion of the revolutionary Digic accelerator processing core. High-end modern photography is no longer just an optical game. It is a heavy data science war. When you are capturing massive, high-resolution RAW files at blistering frame rates, your camera is processing gigabytes of raw electronic information every single second. On a standard crop sensor body, this is the exact moment the hardware chokes. The internal buffer fills up instantly, locking down the camera and forcing you to wait while you helplessly watch your subject fly away. The R7 Mark II handles this data overload by utilizing its dual processor pipeline to effortlessly stream files into high-speed storage channels without a single hiccup, stutter, or delay. Think about what that data velocity actually unlocks for you in the field. This camera pushes performance boundaries to an incredible 40 frames per second with a blackout-free electronic display. When you